Hey guys, it's Nick at Snowpaws, and today's video I have Godzilla baby or Daryl. So yeah. So today's video will be about my squishy wish list. Wait.
Wait, what?
My squishy wish list.
Wait, what happened to Grandma?
I don't know.
What's that do?
So
what's that do?
over here I have
what's that do?
He's doing fine. So over here I have the places they're from and the price of all the items I'm getting, and then here's the total of the prices. And then over here, these are what I'm getting, and like the separate items and the prices of the separate items. So yeah, and then the total items, and then the total items plus the lots. And then back to the squishy wish list. So then from Creamy Candy, Creamy Candy, it's $34.84. And the stuff I want are the rare jumbo eye bloom peach scented in color yellow pink, and it is $15.16. And then I want the rare jumbo English bread from Aoyama Tokyo / eye bloom, and it's the butter one with $14.17.
Actually, where's Daryl?
I don't know.
Oh no!
Where's Daryl? Where's Daryl? Daryl's lost.
Okay.
Daryl's lost.
Daryl's here.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're sorry. So you forgive us? Okay, he forgives us. Are you okay? Am I okay? Okay. My iPad. So then from Silly Squishies, the total is $25.15. And I want the bunny cream puff, which is $4.99. Capybara sun pan bread, $4.99. Capybara sun biscuit, $4.99. Capybara sun slipper, $4.99. Jumbo toast bread. Oh, that's from a different place. From eBay, the total is $16.27. I want the jumbo toast bread hand, $2.93. 10 pieces medium random squishy, $13.34. From Miso Kawaii, the total is $14. I want the jumbo melon bun, green, $2.75. Jumbo turtle, $3.75. Jumbo marshmallow bun, $2.75. Jumbo cupcake, $2. Jumbo bread pan, $2.75. And then from Tanzolo, the total is $15.77. Mini coffee cup, $2.98. Jumbo ice cream lime swirl, $5.29. Variety of 5 small squishies, $7.50. And then the total of the prices are $106.38. And then the total items are 16 items, but 29 squishies including the lot. And then at the end it says squishy. It's been like a month and I never got my squishies yet.
Thank you, Cotton. Thank you, Cotton. Bring them, Grandma Wyatt, Cotton.
Bye!